Hey, people of the internet and YouTube, it's Slippery Cam. Don't be alarmed, it's it's Slippery Cam. Come on, right here, right here. Come here, come here, come on, come on, come here, come here, come here, come here. Hop, hop. Good boy, hop. Okay, okay. Oh, you crazy dog. And the wind is a little howling. We got one. Oh, we got one. What do we got here? Let's see what we got here. Oh, boy, she's running. Oh, that's a little bluegill. Oh, son of a gun, we got one here. Let's see, that was a quick one. Let's throw him back. Oh, what are you doing, guy? Okay, take it easy. Let's see if we can get some... Oh, that was a hit too. Ah, there's some activity out there. There is activity. Oh, that was a hit. That was a good hit. That was a nice hit. They're out there. Come on, guys. There we go. Gotcha. Gotcha, you son of a gun. Gotcha. It's a bass. Small bass. That's a small bass. Son of a gun. Come on, we want your grandpappy. We don't want you. We want your grandpappy. Ah. We want something bigger. But where there's small ones, there's big ones, they say, right? Okay. Take a look. That's him. See you later. See you later, Pappy. All right, let's see what else we got. Kind of late, but... Oh, yes. Yes, that's... Oh, that's... What do we got here? What do we got here? What do we got? Oh, what do we got? Another bluegill pumpkin seed. Yes. Yes. These little buggers are very aggressive in there. You didn't have to swallow the whole thing, you dumb. He swallowed the whole thing. He swallowed the whole thing, dog. What are we gonna do? Oh, we'll get him. That's what we'll do. We'll take the plier out, nice and easy. He's looking good. Take it easy. Take it easy. All right, come on. Let's get some. Come on. We need some big league stuff. Big league. Let's see what we got here. Oh yes. What the heck is this now? What? It's. Oh my goodness. Holy Jesus. Oh my God. It's a tiny bass. God Almighty. What are you doing? What are you doing? Go look for worms. You're not old enough to be going after minnows. Look at this little guy. A freaking sardine. Oh, where'd he go? Oh, Jesus. Oh, come on. There he goes. Take it easy. All right, come on. Now, motherfucker. Always. Always. Ah, the proverbial bird's nest. Yes, the proverbial bird's nest. Yes, let's try to see what we can do to... It's a hit. That was not a hit. That's grass. Fuck. It all, Snoop. It's not doing anything. It's shit. It's defective lure. All right, let's give it one more shot here. Let's give it one more. Oh, this looks like this. This is definitely a ringer right here. Oh, this is the ringer. Don't put your snoot in there. You're gonna get hooked. Keep that big strawberry nose out of there. All right, there you go. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're the good boy, right, Pop-Ups? Oh, fuck, what the fuck? Oh, okay, that's a nice bass. Nah, it's not that nice, it's small. But he came right up to the edge of the boat. What the heck? What are you doing here, guy? What's going on? Jesus. All right, you go down there. Nothing, honey. Nothing, honey. Okay. Let's reposition. We have to reposition. You agree? You agree with that strategy? We're going to reposition. Okay, let's reposition. Let's take a couple casts here. We need something that doesn't, we need something more, what can we call it? Weed resistant. We need, that's the terminology, a weed resistant. We need weed resistant tackle. Let's see what we have here in the category of weed resistant. We have shit. Let's try this. That's all they're shooting over there. Oh my goodness. Must be Antifa. Mr. Tolliver? What the hell are you doing there, Tolliver? What's going on, Tolliver? Got him, you son of a gun. I got you. That's a nice bass, for sure. I got you. Oh, frick me. Oh. Got you fucker. Oh, pickerel. You slimy devil, you. Oh, you slimy devil, yeah. You slimy devil. Okay, Mr. Pickerel. All right, you slimy devil, you. We gotta get you out. We have to get you unhooked from this predicament. Yeah, you got yourself into this predicament, right? You didn't think you would be having this bad a day, but we'll get you straightened out here. Oh, come on now. Okay, you're good. Well, this thing is working pretty well. Wow. Got you, you mother. I got you. Come on. Oh, that's a nice one. That is a nice fish. That's a nice fish. Come on, guys. That's a nice fish. That's a nice bass. Come on, guy. Come on. Oh, that's a big pickerel. Shit. Oh, that's a nice pickerel. Oh, shit. That's a nice fish. Oh, did you break the line, you son of a gun? You fucking ate my lure, you bastard. Oh, come on, we got work to do with this guy. He's a big one. Oh, come on, we gotta get my lure back. Oh, you're a fat pickerel. Come on, move over, dog. We gotta get my lure back. This guy. There he goes. Oh, there he goes. Oh, jeez. Getting old sucks. I know, Blitz. Oh.